Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Positive Path channel, where I share with you the secrets of the law of attraction and how to manifest your dreams. Today I have a very special video for you. I'm going to share with you one affirmation that can help you manifest multiple desires at once. Yes, you heard me right. One affirmation that can make all your wishes come true. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. It's actually very simple and effective. All you need is faith, gratitude, and repetition. Before I reveal this magical affirmation to you, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of my future videos. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what are your top 3 desires that you want to manifest right now. Done? Great. Now let me tell you the affirmation that will change your life. Are you ready? Here it is. I am a powerful creator who manifests everything I desire with ease and grace. That's it. That's the affirmation. Let me say it again. I am a powerful creator who manifests everything I desire with ease and grace. How does it feel when you say it? Do you feel a surge of energy and confidence in your body? Do you feel a sense of joy and excitement in your heart? Do you feel a connection with the universe and your higher self? If yes, then congratulations. You have just activated the law of attraction in your favor. You have just aligned yourself with the vibration of abundance and success. You have just opened the door to infinite possibilities. But if no, then don't worry. It's normal to feel some resistance or doubt when you say something new or unfamiliar. It's just your ego trying to protect you from disappointment or failure. But you don't need to listen to your ego. You need to listen to your soul. Your soul knows the truth. Your soul knows that you are a powerful creator who can manifest anything you want. Your soul knows that the universe is always supporting you and providing for you. Your soul knows that everything is working out for your highest good. So, how do you overcome the resistance and doubt? How do you make this affirmation work for you? The answer is simple. Repetition. Repetition is the key to reprogramming your subconscious mind and changing your beliefs. The more you repeat something, the more you believe it. The more you believe it, the more you attract it. So, here's what I want you to do. Every morning, as soon as you wake up, say this affirmation out loud 10 times with enthusiasm and conviction. Every night before you go to sleep, say this affirmation out loud 10 times with gratitude and appreciation. And throughout the day, whenever you have a spare moment, say this affirmation silently or mentally as many times as possible. The more you say it, the more it will sink into your subconscious mind and become part of your reality. And as you do this, something amazing will happen. You will start to notice signs and synchronicities from the universe that confirm your affirmation. You will start to receive guidance and inspiration from your intuition that lead you to take inspired action. You will start to attract people and opportunities that match your desires and help you achieve them faster. You will start to see miracles and manifestations happening in your life every day. You will start to feel happier and more fulfilled than ever before. And before you know it, all your desires will come true. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it is. And it can be yours if you just say this one affirmation every day. I am a powerful creator who manifests everything I desire with ease and grace. Trust me, this works like a charm. I have used this affirmation myself, and I have seen incredible results in my life. I have manifested more money, more love, more health, more happiness, more success, more freedom, more peace, more joy than ever before. And so can you. All it takes is one affirmation. One affirmation that covers everything. One affirmation that works for everyone. One affirmation that changes everything. So go ahead and try it for yourself. Say it now. I am a powerful creator who manifests everything I desire with ease and grace. And say it every day, and watch your life transform. You deserve it. You are worthy of it. You are capable of it. You are a powerful creator who manifests everything you desire with ease and grace. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And remember, you are amazing, you are beautiful, you are powerful, you are limitless. You can do anything. You can be anything. You can have anything. You can manifest anything. Just say this one affirmation. I am a powerful creator who manifests everything I desire with ease and grace. And so it is.